What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Crypto investors, it is a bloodbath right now in the crypto market, but I'm excited. And I'm going to tell you guys why in this video. They're not telling you exactly what's going on. And when you really look closely, you can see that they're trying to invoke fear. They're trying to invoke uncertainty and doubt in the cryptocurrency market. And in a lot of ways, it's working. They are shaking the retail investor out. I'm going to give you guys a full breakdown on what's happening, why there's so much uneasiness right now in crypto, but why this could be a big opportunity if you're playing the long game in crypto. We'll take a look at the overall market. We'll take a look at what's down the most. It's kind of a slow news day. There's not a ton going on. We do have, a few things here in terms of, top things to kind of showcase. Ethereum reserves on exchanges have hit a 9-year low as the supply has shrunk. This is actually a really good sign for Ethereum, okay? And it could be getting ready for a big price rally driven by a supply shock. And I know it doesn't feel like that, and we've all been waiting for Ethereum, but eventually this is going to break loose. Once we get back up above that $3,000 psychological mark, a lot of people are saying, hey, the data shows here that we're in store for a supply shock for Ethereum. And then finally, Ethereum could perform like it should have been performing for a while. Ether has really struggled to gain momentum over the past year, guys. And where Bitcoin is, Ethereum is very, very undervalued. It's been disappointing, but I've continued to look at Ethereum and say, hey, you know what? There's still a ton of upside potential here. A potential Ethereum rally above 2,800. And we can sustain it over there. Well, it would liquidate a lot of the leverage short positions across exchanges. And all of a sudden, we are getting ready to see a massive move. And this could spark the altcoin season. And I know it doesn't feel like that now, but we had a massive run up. Bitcoin went up to 109,000. We're currently pulling back to 96K. Ethereum's hanging in there pretty decent, still at 2,700. XRP down to 261. Look at Solana getting crushed down below 170. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, or if you stabled up after the big run in November, December, this is an opportunity, guys. If you have cash on the sidelines, which we always talk about why it's important to do so, this is the time, in my opinion, to slowly dollar cost average and deploy capital during these downturns. You're never going to time the market perfect, right? It's nearly impossible. Okay, but what I like to do on days like this, I don't sort by the top gainers. I sort by the top losers. And I see, okay, here is Jupiter down to 73 cents. One of the biggest dexes on Solana because Solana's getting hit hard. Immutable X, gaming infrastructure play, down big. Render and Injective. Okay, 2 new layer ones. Solana down here getting hit good. Trump coin getting hit pretty good. Jasmy down here. H-bar's down to 20 cents. Chainlink still hovering here at $18 and some change. Caspa hanging in there at 10 cents, but still algorand at 26 cents. There's a lot of opportunities. Ondo and Swe's down to 315. To me, there's a lot of different directions you could go here. If you want exposure to Ethereum, you can get exposure through Ethereum itself. You can get exposure through some of the ERC20 cryptos, some of the things built on Ethereum. But today is a day where instead of, being fearful, you need to be greedy. We take a look at the fear and greed index all the time, guys. We are in the fear zone right now. We are in the fear zone when it comes to the fear and greed index. This is an opportunity right now, okay, in my opinion, to dollar cost average. You're never going to time it up perfectly. But I'm telling you guys, eventually, these charts are going to break loose again. And if you're waiting until that happens, you're too late. Now, if you want the signal, if you want to be ahead of the game, you want to know what people don't know, you want to have an advantage, a competitive advantage, it's xtalgo.com, my trading indicator, guys. There's a link down below. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning you could try it risk-free right now for 30 days. If you don't like the product, full money-back refund in 30 days. So highly encourage you guys to give it a check, and you're going to know when charts are getting ready to break loose. I walk you through how to use this. And within 20, 30 minutes, you're off and running, having the tools you need. You could set up your own customized alerts. I walk you through how to set all that up. And you guys are going to have the advantage you need to win in these markets when we make a big turnaround. Guys, patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Hang in there. Things will get better. Do not let them shake you out of this market entirely. It is only a blip in time. When you sit there and zoom out the charts, this is totally normal to see this within a bull run. So hang in there, guys. Appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.